Hi friend, in this video I am going to go here on Carnival Firenze and check out the Bonsai Teppanyaki. Let you see, get a little sneak peek into what this experience is all about. Show you what kind of food. If you've never been to Hibachi Grill before, it's a whole vibe. If you've been, then you know what's happening. If you clicked on this video, then you probably don't know how it is on a Carnival ship. So in this video, you're gonna get to see exactly that. They're still setting up. They have different times. Have the option of 5 p.m. or 7 p.m. I don't know if there were other times and they were just all booked, but that's the options that I had. And I'm an early bird, so I have the early seating. And I'm here a little bit early, and you can see that they are still setting up, getting ready for us. So just gonna hang out here for a minute or so, and you know, I gotta get here early so I can find me a little spot in the corner so I can film without being in anybody's way. But yeah, let's go check it out. Hey y'all, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I'm Linnell. I sold everything and now I live on cruise ships full time. If this video is a blessing to you, I want to encourage you to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and then turn on notifications. Hit the bell for all notifications so that you never ever miss another video. And follow me on my journey from poverty to paradise.
Alright, ready? Konnichiwa everyone, very good evening to all of you and welcome to Teppanyaki. My name is Jyotsna, I'll be your server for this evening. And at the end of your meal, we will be serving you 6 different kinds of your dessert which comes in your bento box. Okay?
Alright, hello! Hi, how's everybody doing? Alright, I'm good and thank you for asking. And welcome to Bonsai Teppanyaki, the most quiet and romantic place here on board. By the way, my name is John and I'll be chef for this evening. Okay? And take your food orders, please choose just entree or combinations only, and no need to pick the starters, it's on the house. Alright? Now, alright, ladies first as always. Yes ma'am, if your entree combination please.
Steak and lobster.
Steak and lobster, and how would you like your steak to be cooked?
Medium.
Medium, thank you. Alright, now I have your orders. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Adios. Bye-bye.
You're going to start with your appetizer, tuna.
What is this? Tuna?
Pork belly.
Pork belly?
Everything is cooked.
Me and Miranda gonna be friends. What's raw and what's cooked? I don't see no frown, so I'm gonna give it a try.
You go.
This don't look like pork belly though.
It's fried string beans. She said, oh no, that's tuna, isn't it?
This the tuna?
It's cooked, she said.
I don't believe a word she say. This is the tuna.
Water is good.
Don't feel like tuna to me. You sure that's the tuna? That's not the pork belly?
The pork belly is
That tastes like the fat from the bacon. That's the pork belly that I just ate there. Yeah.
The black one is the pork belly, and then the red one is the black belly.
I can't, I'm starting out bad with Miss Miranda. She leading me astray. I'm talking to the camera. This was not the tuna. This was the pork belly. And I like it. But it's bacon and sugar. They threw in some vegetables. They try to trick me. And this is the tuna. I'm scared.
Anybody want more?
She said I'm scared.
We didn't touch it. It's
It's not that. don't want to eat raw food.
Pass it down.
They cooked it. It's good.
Oh, okay, because I'm like, what is it? Oh, I'm okay.
I didn't eat it last time I came to Hibachi. I'm glad I ate it this time. Both are good. The tuna's a little salty. I think the middle sauce you said to have with fish.
So they already take it off. They have that.
Oh, the sauce brought it up a notch. I'm not mad at that sauce at all. And this is a string bean.
Yeah, I just went to 7-Eleven to buy me some Mexican Coke. That was it.
Let me take cooked all the way.
Let's sing happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear someone! Happy birthday to you! Alright! Alright, and let me put you my little friend here. Say hello to Smiley. Japanese fire, go right, Japanese 3, 2, 1. The grill is on fire. I love Timu. Alright, there you go. Chop like a billionaire. Alright, egg pizza omelette, and I'm turning this to a Japanese grill egg roll. Okay? In Japan, we call this egg roll tamagoyaki. Spanish tortilla roll de huevo or huevos fritos. And in Mexico, they call it to hurt my accent because I don't have any. Because I clean up this grill, removing all the rice all the way from Coco. One forest one. Alright, it's a bad joke. Alright, let's do another one. Alright, alright. And of course, your onion ring volcano and a birthday candle for our lovely celebrants. Okay, the smallest volcano birthday candle here on board, all the way from Johnny Rockets. Oh, wrong ship. That's Royal Caribbean. Holy ship! Wrong ship. I don't give a ship. Stop the ship. Alright, there you go. Carnival one. Made in China. From Timu. Japanese fire, right? And here got your Japanese fire cover, right, Rose? Japanese 3, 2, 1, to down. There you go. You are my fire. The one desire to live. When I sing, I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say your turn. I want it that way. Oh yeah, enjoy the fried rice. Fried rice, alright? How old are you, Mama, if you don't mind? How old are you? 82? You look 81. Are you still single? Are you single? Are you a boyfriend? You have boyfriend? You look young. I'm just kidding, Mama. Alright. Alright, after this veggies, moving forward to your steak and the chicken. Okay. Alright, there you go. Mama, veggies? Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, there you go. Alright. Alright. And the veggies.
When you get a freehand, you get a dollop of garlic butter on top.
Alright. Who's ready here?
Yeah.
Everybody's here ready? Alright, there you go. Ma'am? Yeah.
I usually put yum yum sauce on my rice. It doesn't even need it. It's so good. I totally forgot about the steak sauce too. We'll try it with the sauce.
Okay, clean up. Who knows the clean up song? Clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. No, thank you. I'm on still vacation. All the smoke. And before I go, a special message to each every one of you. Thank you for dining with us. From the bottom of my heart, real. I love you all, okay? And I have one more song. This song is my favorite. If you know the song, please sing with me, okay? I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I love you, Barney. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's all on this picture stuff up there. Wait. Very first one, that one is a green tea matcha ice cream. In the middle one, that one is your pistachio cake. In the cup, that one is your chilled fruit. It has a bit of cranberry juice and pomegranate syrup in it. Down below, again from your left hand side, mini cream brulee. Middle one is your chocolate orange marquise, and the last one is your chocolate covered strawberry.
Start with the cranberry juice. Tastes like cranberry juice.
Yeah, I get that. I understand that. Take a look at the menu.
Pistachio cake.
And she started saying something. I gave her phone to her, and I was like, yeah. And I told her, you should have never done that.
Oh, there's something on my camera.
Right. She's like, well, I didn't know her phone number. Well, I knew the room. I could have gave you the room number. You'll do that.
Round two.
Right. And she's like,
That's good. I don't really like creme brulee, but I'll try it.
to tell you the truth, I think she
Yeah, we all are. She's traveling a lot. I'm Meg. I go all over the world.
Feels like I'm eating lotion.
Me and Mama were together. And that's the wrong one if you listen. She's gonna keep yelling and screaming and rolling, but you going and going and going.
And you know what?
Yeah.
She's like, girlfriend, you eat up in Mexico. I said, I already know.
That's, I was like, look, Martha, whatever you do, okay.
It made her mad when she said.
I didn't know.
I'm trying to give it a chance, but
Thank you.
I tried. All right, this chocolate looks like what they had in the cocktail party. That was this is like a, what is this called? A truffle. It's the exact same truffle. Oh my God, no.
Oh, and then
I'm glad I waited with the spoon.
it's been an adventure.
All right, last but not least, I'm glad I waited till the end for this one.
She said, this is mine.
Chocolate covered strawberry.
Now that I'm divorced, I'm catching up.
Yes, honey.
Oh, yeah, was that
If I have a favorite fruit or treat,
She gonna say I'm
Okay, what was this?
I would say it's chocolate covered strawberries.
You said give it.
All right, so
That's what I was gonna say. That's
we'll end the video here.
tell her.
Overall, it was
Mama have a bottle of wine to give you from Kalani.
I would say A. I wouldn't say A+, because some of them desserts, didn't get rid of them.
Yeah, but
But I would say, I would give it an A, maybe A- experience. Really good. If they give me more of these, I'll give them an A+. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day.
I just can't deal with
If you have any comments or questions, leave them below, and I'll reply to them as soon as I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next cruise.